Good morning. It is Tuesday, July 30th, about 7:45 a.m. We are entering the Glacier National Park. We can't see much of anything yet except for these mountains. But we're sitting out here on the balcony and we're having some coffee and some bagel and some kind of lemon thing, I think, and then I'm not sure what that is, but it looked good. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything in the middle, or is it just plain?
Just plain.
Anyway, so we will video some more whenever we can see some glaciers. Hey guys, it's still Tuesday and I was just going to show you what I did a while ago. They had a crafting session where you could go quilling. I've never heard of that before, so I was like, I'm going to go try that out. So anyway, I was going to show you what I made. It's really kind of cool. This is a picture of an otter that someone had taken, and the lady had pictures down there for us, and so I made this flower out of paper and these 3D flowers out of paper, and it was so fun. And then of course I had to buy me a starter kit, and I got this free bag, and it just had this starter kit thing. I'm not going to take it all the way out because it took me forever to get it in there, but anyway, it was a lot of fun. It was like an hour class and it was free, or it came with your purchase on the ship, and it was a lot of fun. So anyway, it's about 5:30 and I think we're going to go eat some dinner about 8 o'clock in the dining room, because we haven't been to the dining room yet. And then we're going to go see a magician, right? We're going to go see a magician. And then what are we doing after the magician? There's something else we're doing. Oh, we're going to go listen to the piano thing again, because they're taking requests at 11 p.m. So we're going to go listen to that. Yeah, the piano request. So anyways, I'll try to video a little bit of that. Right now, let me pull this camera down. We are, let me go show you the view outside. We're still exiting Glacier Bay. I'm moving a little faster. The water is moving faster. Also, tell them what you saw while I was gone quilling.
We had 14 otters, all in one group.
That's awesome.
It was pretty cool. Seen a few more whales in the last hour. That was pretty neat.
They come pretty far out of the water?
Yeah, about normal. Just the tops and the tails.
Cool. Alright. Catch you guys later. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We're in the dining room finally. We weren't sick, so we were able to come in here and eat. It's really pretty in here. This is what we're having next to the what? I think I'm going to have the Chef Rudy's Classic Spice Roasted Chicken, carrots, green beans, and herb stuffing, and some French onion soup.
Real funny, bro. Okay, do me a favor. Look this way just for a moment. Go ahead. Cool. You can look now. The thing is, I don't want that giving anything away if anybody's suspected. The thing is, I can't have you knowing where the spike is. Because in a moment, we're going to play a really fun game called Find the Spike. And if you know where it is, you might flinch. And that would tell me which bag is dangerous. That's why you don't know where it is. But for the rest of the audience, it's absolutely vital. You never, ever take your eye off the bag with the spike. Please, keep your eye on it at all times for my safety, please. Thank you. Oh, oops. So here's the current situation. I'm going to stand right back here.
Tuesday night's towel animal, a crab.